Hey guys, this is Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the SD Gundam War of Sangoku Soketsuden Guan Chang New Gundam. Alright, here is the box itself. Now this is the second kit of the first three kits released in the SD Gundam Sangoku Soketsuden line. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to see how these kits are. In fact, this box is actually a bit more thicker than the other two. But yeah, so yeah, I don't know much about the new Gundam base. I mean, okay. So funny thing is, when I first started off Gundam, my first kit was a Sangoku version of the new Gundam. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened to that kit. God knows where that kit went. But yeah, this guy is probably the most interesting one for me because he is my very reminiscent to my very first SD Gundam I've ever built. I mean, my very first Gunpla I built. Yeah, basically to put it that way. But yeah, it's going in a box. So yeah, it's a box with thin on the side. I don't know why, but it's a really thick box and big as well. So yeah, just like the other kits, it is made in China, but the quality's about the same, so it's not a huge deal for me. On the side, you got the blur about Guan Yu himself, the stuff you can do with him. Yeah, the box is not that good. And then basically the his weapon, and then the the gimmick of the three kits, the new kits. And the side, you basically got the blurbs, the information. And again, this is no retail price, but it is 600 yen, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so the box live. I'm really excited. You can tell how I'm excited about. I am seeing these kits in the line. Right, so the box. First back, we got the E plate, AF plate, which is for the goatee on Guan Yu, and you got the gold parts with the C plate, and then the stickers. Stickers are not too bad. Yeah, it's pretty good. And the B plate, which is all the white parts of the kit. You get the E plate, which is all the black parts, and the A plate, which is the universal joints for the SD Sangoku Soketsuden kits. And the last bag, you've got all the clear green parts. I'm not sure if it'll glow in a backlight. I'll put an annotation below, so you just tell if it glows in a backlight. But yeah, that's in the box. Now let's go into the manual. Surprisingly, it doesn't come with the absence and plan file from the Lupe kit. Yeah, basically here it is. You can pause it if you want. You done? Good. All right. So yeah, again, yeah, I remember this image. When this series was announced, this was the promo image from the series. Again, you can pause and read if you want. Same thing here. And at the back here you also get some shots of the kit, and then you got some instructions, which is the usual stuff. So yeah. That's an unboxing of the Guan Yu Chang new Gundam. That's like I said, this is one of the most interesting. This is one of the most interesting of the free kits because, like I said, this is my the new Gundam Sangoku kit was my very first Gunpla kit I've built. So this would probably be the most interesting one for me to build if I put it that way. So yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.